On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with Google News. This is a beginner friendly method, so you are not required to have any experience, you are not required to invest any money, and you can do it wherever you are in the world. And the best part is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this particular strategy. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to search for google.com. Once you search for google.com, you are going to see a page like this. Once you see a page like this, search for Google News. So just search for it. Once you search for Google News, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that just click on the first site right here. Once you click on that, you can see the latest news headlines. As you can see, a lot of them. So let me scroll for you to see. As you can see, a whole lot of different headlines that you can click to read. As I scroll, you can see many of them. If you don't want to read the headlines, you can just come right here and then click on World News so that you can get news that are trending around the world. Or you can just go into a specific category so that you can find news under that category to read. When you come here, you can see business category. When you click on that, you get news to read. Technology, you get news to read. Entertainment, you get news to read. Sports, you are going to get news. Science, you are going to get news. Health, you are going to get news. So any of these categories that you are interested in, you can just click on it and you are going to get news that are trending under that category so that you can read it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the health category so that I will show you what to do so that you can make money with this particular news. So once you click on the health category, you can see these are the latest headlines under the health category. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. If you want to go into a subcategory under the health, you can just click on any of them. You can see we have medicine, healthcare, mental health, we have nutrition, fitness. So any of these categories that you are interested in, you are going to just click on that so that you can get news to read. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just select any of these articles. So as I scroll, you can see many of these articles. You can see a whole lot of them. So you can select any of them that you like. But I prefer this one, how a certain protein can cause deadly cancers. So I'm going to open that for you to see. As I click on the headline, you can see this is the article that you can read. So let me scroll down for you to see the body of the article. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can read to learn more about protein that can cause deadly cancers. So now, once you have the article, maybe you are not interested in reading news. What you are interested in is to make money. So now the next step is that we are going to use this particular news article to make money online. In my last video, I showed you how to use this particular article to promote affiliate products so that you can earn a commission. In this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can also use to make money with this particular news. So what I want you to do is I just highlight and copy this article, copy everything. So once you highlight it, just copy the article. Once you copy the article, search for spinboat.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first website right here. Once you click on the Spinboat website, you are going to see a page like this. This particular tool helps you to rewrite articles, so you can rewrite the content so that it will be yours. We don't want to copy word for word from another person. We just want to rewrite it so that its relevance can be the same, but the words are going to be changed. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to paste the text here so that this particular tool can rewrite it. So just paste it right here. Once you paste your article, you can see this is the article. So now what you are going to do is that we are going to rewrite it. So you can just click right here, basic spin, so that it will rewrite the article, because we don't want to overchange it. We just want to change some words, but the value of the content is going to remain the same. So just click on basic spin. Once you click on that, you can see the content has been rewritten here. Let me scroll up for you to see. So as you can see, this is the original article. You can see this is the rewritten article. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy the paraphrase article. So just come right here, click on copy so that you can copy the text. Once you copy your text, you are going to search for docs.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your article right here. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it here, as you can see, this is the article. It has been rewritten. This particular article cannot be found online. Everything is now new and is ours. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add the title to the content. So just go back to the website that we copied the article. Once you come back to the original article, just copy the title, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your Google Docs and then paste it as your headline right here. So as you can see, that has been done. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to exchange this particular article for money. We are going to find a website whereby we can submit this particular article and get paid for that. One of the websites that you can submit to earn money is blastingnews.com. On this website, anytime you submit an article, you are going to be paid $500, as you can see it right here. So $500 per article. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create an account so that you can publish it on this website to make money from home. So when you come here, you can see earn up to $500. The more people read your article, the more money you get. We reward you for engaging audiences. So as I scroll down, you can see what you are supposed to do. So the first step is that you are going to write your articles, which we have done. Once you've written your article, you are going to create an account and then publish it. Once you publish it, you are going to share it on your social media networks if you have some. So once you publish your content, you can see the amount that you are going to be paid right here, $500 per article. So what you have to do is that just come right here, click on start working so that you can follow the steps and then create your accounts. Once you click on start working, you can see you can create your accounts using your Facebook. You can create your accounts using your email. So any of the options that you want, just follow the steps and then create your accounts so that you can be publishing your articles here for free and you are going to be paid. It is not only about health category. You can choose any category and you are going to be paid for that. So make sure you just create your account so that you can be spending Google News and then submit it to this website and you are going to be paid. The next website that will pay you is EatWorldcom. This particular website is popular for its health content. So what you are going to do is that you are also going to be spending health news so that you can submit it to this website. They pay really high, so make sure you come to this website, join. When you come right here, you can see these are the writer's guidelines. So you are going to read through everything. Once you read through it, you will know what to do. I'm not going to read everything. So as you can see, they have guidelines for you. You can see the topics that they accept. You can see recipes, they accept that, healthy cooking and food stories, they accept that. As you can see, they accept articles on a whole lot of different categories. As you can see right here, meal plan, special diets, you can see a whole lot of them. As I said earlier on, just join the website so that you can publish your article right here. In case you want to pitch an article idea, just come right here, click on fill out this form. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. So this is where you are going to submit your pitch, which means you are going to submit an article idea to this website. So once you submit the article idea, they are going to review it so that they can accept you to write the article and then publish it on their website so that you can be paid. So right here, you are going to tell them the area that you are writing the article about. So you can see the different areas that you can write your article about. Once you select that, you are going to give them the headlines so that you have an idea about what you are writing about. So in our case, you just copy the title right here. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to their submission form and then paste your headline right here. So as you can see, this is the headline. Once that is done, you are going to describe your story or recipe idea. So just tell them what your article is about. Once that is done, you can see, do you have any data or insight to back up your story? You can see right here, why should you cover this now? So you have to tell them the reason why you think that this article is important. You can see another one here. This is if applicable, so this is optional. Once that is done, you can see, have you worked with us before? If you don't work with them, just select no. If you have ever worked with them, just say yes. As you can see, you have to tell them about yourself, your name, your email. So once you provide all these details, they are going to respond to you so that you can then submit your article and you are going to be paid. So this is very simple. It does not require you to do the work on your own. You can just use Google News, use the spinning boat, and you are going to do the work so that you can be paid for free. You don't need to do anything apart from what I've shown you here. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, for updates of my next videos.